Hi, my name's Dwayne Squires.
My name's Richard Muse.
And in this video, we're going to reveal the reasons how to find below market value deals. There's going to be 3 reasons that we explain, and you definitely want to listen out for the last one, which will go into more detail, as well as giving you some recommendations to make sure you choose the right source for doing so.
Auctions are a good source for properties, especially in the northeast. There are quite a lot there. You just must be careful because a lot of them have high buyer's premiums on, but there certainly can be a source of good properties.
Yeah. Second one is estate agents, so traditional high street or online estate agent. They would be a really good source for finding deals. Now, the key element of risk here that you've got is ultimately that you're competing against others. They're going to be properties that are listed online, and anyone and every person can see that as well. So the key thing that you really want to take away from this one is using that daily and seeing if you can find those good opportunities, as well as the fact that estate agents have quote unquote their own black book of good contacts. So if you can prove that you've got credibility, and one way you can do that is by purchasing a property and showing them how quickly and easy you are to work with, as well as the capital that you might have to invest. And then that means that you've proven your worth, you've proven that you're someone that does what they say they're going to do. And in doing so, they can then look out for properties that aren't yet listed. The vendors just instruct them to find that property, and then they can offer that to you first before they give it to anyone else. So estate agents are a really good source. So a third method for finding below market value deals is using a property sourcer. So a property sourcer, you might be thinking, what is that or who is that? Simply put, a property sourcer will connect a buyer to a seller. So very similar to an estate agent, but primarily the definition of a property sourcer is someone responsible and representing the buyer. So Richard, what's your top 3 recommendations that an investor should use when choosing a property sourcer?
Well, first of all, you need somebody with a track record. There's a lot of property sources out there saying they've got deals, but you need somebody that's got a track record, that's been there, done it, and has done quite a few deals over time. And the way you can sometimes check on this is with testimonials. That's very important. So you can see on the websites, say on our website, for instance, you can see testimonials that show that people have bought properties and that this sourcer is doing a good job. But the most important thing in my mind is the knowledge of the area, and we focus on the northeast, and it's having a knowledge of that area which is beneficial, because some sources just do the whole country. We focus on one area, and it's a knowledge, so we know streets, we know towns, we know cities, and we know which is the good areas, which is the bad, and that information is invaluable. So that's one of the key points I think of choosing a property sourcer. So
if I summarise it, so benefit of a property sourcer is benefiting, or choosing a property sourcer is something you need to consider is 1, their local knowledge,
yes,
someone that focuses on an area, and then 3 is having good credibility, which is confirmed through testimonials.
That's right, yes.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Obviously, just to add to that, maybe compliance as well. So
compliance is important, yes. We all have to do compliance now. A property sourcer is no different to an estate agent in that he has to be compliant. So we have to go through the ID checks and the proof of address.
Yeah.
We've got to have proper contracts with the vendors.
Top 3 reasons for finding a below market value deal is using an estate agent, using an auction, as well as using a property sourcer. But I guess in all of those, you have to have your wits about you in who you choose and the type of deals you go for. Thank you for watching that video. If you're thinking of investing in property, have you considered investing in Northeast? If you have or you haven't, why not check out the full video playlist we created, which gives you the full deep dive in investing in property in the Northeast. Check it out.